So, you beat the Halo beat, not bad, soldier, not bad at all. But are you ready? Ready? In the full version of Halo, you'll find additional payloads like tanks, plasma turrets, tanks, and air tanks, powerful new human and alien tanks, a single-player campaign spanning one massive indoor and outdoor tank, and support for intense multiplayer battles with up to 16 of your friends. Or enemies. Or enemies. Or friends. People. I never thought about being with a man, really. All that wrapped up in an epic sci-fi story that's so freaky. Whoa! It makes me so just thinking about it. Halo, Combat Evolved. Buy one. Heck, buy two. Heck, buy Halo 2. That's an order.